Hello, good afternoon chat. Welcome back to another video. And this afternoon, we are going to discuss the history of Paul Heyman. Now, we all know Paul Heyman is now inducted into the class of 2024 WWE Hall of Fame. But let's take a look at the life of Paul Heyman. Okay. Now, in age of 13, Paul Heyman got into wrestling when he was 13 years old as a writer and a photographer. Okay, he is a writer and a photographer. Years later, he got into professional wrestling. He is the owner of WCW as he is the owner of WCW and the talent manager and the owner of ECW. And as far as how good Paul Heyman was, he is one of the greatest minds in all of professional wrestling history. He is the owner of a WCW and ECW, the owner and the founder of ECW. He is a creative manager and the owner of ECW, and as well as the WCW. Well, technically he wasn't the owner of the WCW. He's just a manager for the Undertaker and all the WCW stars way back in the day. And yes, years later, he is the owner of ECW and also the manager. And as far as his role in WWE is concerned, he managed Brock Lesnar for a better part of 20 years. For 20 years, Paul Heyman and Brock Lesnar is a symbol ring. It has a perfect match for each other. The word Brock Lesnar and Paul Heyman, the name Brock Lesnar and Paul Heyman is a perfect match. Because, Brock Lesnar is a beast and Paul Heyman is his hype man. And now for 20 years, he managed Brock Lesnar. He managed Brock Lesnar for 20 years, which is unheard of and never before seen again and never be duplicated. You can see here, from 20 years, chat, 20 years, he's been managing Brock Lesnar. Managing Brock Lesnar for about how many years? And still, one of the greatest duos in the history of professional wrestling and in the WWE. As you can see here, Brock Lesnar was the next big thing with Paul Heyman as his manager. And also in 2019, Brock Lesnar is the Universal Heavyweight Champion. And also, he's become the general manager of SmackDown back in 2004. Yes, he became the SmackDown general manager back in I think it's 2003 to 2004 only. The beginning of it. And now, for all of his contributions and all of his hard work and all of his managing skills to lead superstars to greater heights, Paul Heyman has now immortalized and has earned his name and ticket into the WWE Hall of Fame class of 2024. No one can say a bad thing about Paul Heyman, and all I can say is congratulations, Paul Heyman. You deserve every minute of this. You deserve it all of the hard work that you put through. All of the superstars that you managed all over the years and led them into title reigns, into greater heights, all worth it. And now, for all of his hard work, Paul Heyman is now immortalized into the WWE Hall of Fame class of 2024. Congratulations, Paul Heyman. You deserve every minute of this, brother. And that is it, chat. We discussed the life and history of Paul Heyman. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any videos that I'll upload, and keep up with the latest news regarding wrestling and gaming. Subscribe, chat. See you.